The BJP, during their former press conference today, raised a pertinent point over the censorship of their PM candidate Narendra Modi's interview to the public broadcaster Doordarshan. The interview has been hit by controversy after speculations that some portion of the interview was censored. BJP on Thursday formally questioned the public broadcaster Doordarshan over their alleged censorship of their poster boy Modi's interview, which was telecast on 27th of April. The party also demanded an answer from the Congress-led UPA government. Nirmala Sitharaman, BJP's national spokesperson, also termed Doordarshan as a government mouthpiece. Incidentally, Modi, during his interview, said that over the years he had been blacked out by the Doordarshan Kendra in Gujarat and he was surprised to receive a request from the broadcaster.
Who has been censoring all this? Why was it aired after 3 days? And what is censorship about? These are things on which the Congress-led UPA has to answer. Earlier there was an attempt to censor social media. Here is an attempt to censor the Doordarshan. Doordarshan itself already has been so pressurized to function like a government's mouthpiece.
Meanwhile, on the other hand, the party once again raked up Robert Vadra issue, and this time the party has alleged about the non-filing of income tax by Vadra.
It is reported in a newspaper that Sri Robert Vadra has not even filed his income tax return since 2011. It is a matter which will have to be taken cognizance of by the income tax authorities which deal with matters related to finance, whether it is the enforcement directorate or it is the income tax department.
The Saffron Party demanded an immediate inquiry on the matter.
We raised this issue because we have been talking about corruption, we have been talking about false land deals, suspicious land deals, particularly of Sri Robert Vadra. And therefore, now that this matter has come up in the newspaper, I think it deserves to be immediately inquired upon.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.